from New York City, the city that never sleeps. No, really, I haven't slept in a week. It's on air at NBC Studios with your host, Jay Hill, and tonight's guest, Johnny Rayo, featuring the 30 Rock and Roll Band. I'm Lynn Citron, and here's your host, Jay Hill.
Thank you. Thanks so much for joining me on this first night as host on the air at NBC Studios. Exciting, right? We are coming to you live from 30 Rockefeller Plaza, where some of my late night idols got their start. We've got a terrific show for you tonight, but first, say hello to the 30 Rock and Roll Band. Can you believe this, Lynn? From tourist to host of On Air at NBC Studios in under 30 minutes. Wow.
Maybe I should make a run for president.
I'd probably settle for a reality show if I were you. On Air is so much talent behind the scenes. Let's give it up for the crew. I'm so excited to bring out our first guests. They are starring in a new blockbuster action film shot right here in New York. One of the best in the business. Please welcome Jamming Rao. Hello, Jammy. Great to have you here. How's New York treating you?
Oh, New York is beautiful as always, so I'm happy.
Great, that's fantastic. So the film sounds incredible. It has a huge budget and is filled with A-listers. How did you land this role?
Well, you know, all my life I've been looking to act in a movie, and I happen to know the director and the producer, so that helped.
That always helps.
Yeah.
Sounds like everything is really working out for you.
Definitely.
So I hear you're doing your own stunts. What is the craziest stunt you had to do so far?
Oh, the craziest stunt was where we were, filming in Monte Carlo. We were driving on those funky little cars, which are supposed to be sports cars, and we were driving off a cliff.
Wow.
And that was a stunt. Of course, I won't want to give away secrets of how we did it, but it was a crazy thing.
Sounds dangerous. Last time I did that, I woke up in Vegas.
Oh.
I also heard you've been filming some noisy action scenes late at night in the Lower East Side. What's the worst complaint you've gotten?
The worst complaint is, come on guys, some of us have a job and we need to get up in the morning and go. Shut it down.
Sounds like a typical morning at my house. Your co-star's been in the news a lot lately. How's it been working with them?
Oh, it's good. They've been very cooperative and they're very congenial. We have a very congenial atmosphere on set, so it's interesting.
Well, let them know I send my best.
Sure.
Wouldn't want to get on their bad side.
Nope, you wouldn't want to.
Jammy, we are so lucky to have you here today. What has been your favorite part of the tour?
The favorite part of the tour is, being part of a live show. And as you said, moving from tourist to studio guest. It was good.
My favorite part is being to meet you today. It's always been an exciting time. You've been a big star, and I've been your biggest fan for a long time. So let's give it up for Jammy.
Thank you. But did you make it to the prop room? I snuck in and grabbed this stuff here.
I heard you had sticky fingers. Now give me that. Well, I'm glad you love the tour. There's so much talent and history in this building. In fact, I just realized I'm sitting at Jimmy's old desk. Can I take this thing? Can you believe we're out of time? You've had to come back and visit again. Will you do that?
Oh, definitely I will. Thank you.
So good to have you here. Thanks for dropping by.
Anytime for you. But next time I'd like to be on the Tonight Show.
And I'd rather have better guests.
Oh, really?
I'd like to thank everyone who made On Air NBC Studios possible today. Lynn Citron, the 30 Rock and Roll Band, and the talented Jimmy Rao.
That's me.
Our wonderful camera operators. And of course, our crew in the control room. Thank you for visiting. We hope you enjoy the rest of the tour at NBC Studios. I'm Jay Hill. Good night.